So this is actually the song that is coming out today.
Love it.
On Musafir.
Yeah.
And this is called PUKAAR.
On Eid?
Yeah.
Oh, lovely. Yeah. Eid Mubarak, girl.
Okay, so this is PUKAAR, and I wrote it a few years ago. It's a very special song to me.
Ah.
Okay.
हमारी मुलाकात एक ज़लज़ले की तरह लगे जिसने जगाई थी मेरी रूह है अब दरमियान से आरे और समंदर खड़े पर मैं जानती फिर भी साफ है तू जो हमने देखा समझाऊं मैं कैसे कायनात का राज हम साथ ही खोले थे और हुए थे हम जुदा but you taught me love. तेरी तरह तो चली थी मैं बड़ी बेतकल्लफी से दर्द है बेहतर बेहसी से तो जरूर अब इस तन्हाई में भी मिली तसल्ली cause I could witness love मैं पुकारूं मेरे ख्वाबों में हम मिले थे
Thank you.
Wow, I love that.
Thank you so
You know,
much.
I love how you were able to channel so many emotions with the different cadence of your voice.
Thank you so much,
And
yeah.
it was amazing because you were actually playing with, you know, the vocals so well. It was
Thank
very
you.
impressive, actually. Very impressive. And it's not easy for sure.
No, this is a song which I've worked on for so long. So like, I really appreciate that you saw all the nuance and stuff that I put in
Yeah,
there.
absolutely. And the lyrics are so amazing as well. And that eye contact you gave me as you said that.
This is a show for you.
This is for me. I love it. I love it. I love it. So, you know, when did you actually first pick up the guitar? It's an interesting...
It's been over 10 years. I was 15. So now
wow.
I'm 26, so 10 saal super ho gaye hain.
Oh, wow.
So yeah, no, I just watched this video of Jimmy Page from Led Zeppelin playing guitar, and I lost my mind. I was like, this is what I want to do.
This is when you were 15?
Yeah, I was 15.
Wow. I mean, a lot of people saw Led Zeppelin at that age, probably didn't think, hey, I'm going to pick up the guitar too. They probably wanted to smash it.
Probably thought some.
They probably thought, let's get one to smash and headbang on it.
I don't know, I was like, I need to do that somehow. Like, I don't know how many years it's going to take.
How lovely. How lovely. So that inspired you, right? I love that. I wish you all the best with your journey.
Thank you so much.
It's been amazing, right? So Changiz, you know, it's fascinating that you shifted from woodwork and carpentry, which is, I think, I have a lot of respect for that, right? And because पुराने ज़माने में तो ये लोग करते थे, and it was considered to be a form of healing, and आपने अपने हाथ से खुद किया है. How fascinating is that? And then you move towards Musafir. So clearly the journey, the safar, has been quite interesting.
Musafir ban gaya.
Musafir ban gaye थे. अभी भी हो journey of life में.
And I think ये मेरे लिए वो जो one thing forever wala ek concept tha that didn't ever connect with
Of course.
When I used to do furniture, even though I was in a workshop and I had a system there, every time like आप एक नई लकड़ी को रंदा लगाते हैं, उसकी खुशबू अलग होती है, उसके grains अलग होते हैं, और उसके अंदर knots किधर होती हैं, रंदा कहाँ फंसता है.
Wow.
And then learning that craft, working with craftsmen who would teach me their skills, polish people.
And being so close to nature.
Metalsmiths, yeah. I have like cuts on my fingers from
I'm
when
sure you're proud of them.
I
Are
used
you?
to make sculpture.
Isn't it? I
Matlab,
mean, I would love it.
real.
I would love it, yeah.
And I think music was something that I had been also doing since I was 15. And it was healing in its own way. And it got to Towers times and we're like, okay, like let's make music, let's perform. And that was the transitionary period. I was still doing both. So in the daytime, 8 hours, it was in the workshop, and then 8 hours in the studio at night.
How interesting.
Didn't
So
sleep
hard
much
work
that
and then creative.
those couple of years.
That's amazing. So it's been, would you say it's been a wholesome journey for you so far?
There's been a lot of learning.
Absolutely.
Learning what is right by me and where I want to move to. And I think finding people like Mahnoor, finding people like Ali Raza, Pasha, and all of the artists that we've worked with, they have something that ties us all together.
Absolutely.
उसमें एक special interviews BTS जो हमने reels बनाई थी, उसमें हमने सबसे सवाल पूछा था कि what is your favorite insect, right?
Yeah.
3 artists said dragonfly, 3 artists said ladybird. So, you know, like there's, and we've never had this conversation about insects in our lives before.
Wow,
So
clearly.
कुछ एक theme है, which clearly puts everyone in that same.
You know, I mean, if you were to actually read about them as a spirit animal, you would understand that maybe all of the souls were meant to connect.
Hey.
We'll do that.